That's why data science is a multidisciplinary subject. It is a combination of statistics, visualization, pattern recognition, neurocomputing, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, data mining, databases and data processing, knowledge discovery database. So these all are the various subjects, various domains. That's why it is called a multidisciplinary subject. Then what about a data science life cycle? First, we are framing the problem, business problem understanding. Then data collection through various data collection tools, data cleansing and preparation, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, machine learning, model evaluation, data visualization. So that's why data science is a multidisciplinary field. It involves several key steps, including data collection, data cleansing, data analysis, and data visualization. What is the goal of data science is to identify patterns, trends, and the relationship between in the data that can be used to make informed decisions. That's why data science driven by advancements in technology such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data. So, data scientists use these tools to build predictive models and algorithms that can automate the decision making process to improve the accuracy of predictions. There are various applications of data science like healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Okay. So data science uses mathematical, statistical, and computational method to analyze and interpret large volume of data, huge volume of data, and complex data sets to extract valuable insights and knowledge. So if you see introduction to data science, it uses all the kinds of data, statistical learning, machine learning, probability models, artificial intelligence, visualization, pattern recognition, uncertainty mathematics, statistics, operations research, predictive analytics, signal processing, computer science. That's why data science involves the process of collecting the data, cleaning the data, processing the data, analyzing data, and finally, we are visualizing the data to extract insights, patterns, and trends that can inform business decisions or scientific research. What are the main components of data science? Data exploration means we are classifying the data. Modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Testing the model, we have already trained data. With the help of testing the data, we are classifying whether it is going to classify or not. Finally, we are deploying the models. What are the major components of data? Data, big data, machine learning, statistics and probability, programming languages. These are the major components of data science. Data is a raw material. Big data deals with the three V's, volume, velocity, and variety. So machine learning is nothing but we are feeding data to the system, and that's why it is called machine learning with the help of three types of approaches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Statistics and probability, we are using various methods. Numeric foundations of data science is insights and likelihood. And programming language, you can use any one programming language. The popular programming language is Python, or you can use any programming, Java, JavaScript. These are the top four programming languages.